you okay?
Mm-hmm.
She said she was feeling better.
We see that regularly with schizophrenia, but it can't be cured.
Okay, hanging in there.
Honey, your father's gonna take the door off the hinges if you keep locking it.
Do something. It's not real. It's not real. Did you hear that? There was a girl next door screaming for help.
Rain, there's nobody out here.
There's a little girl in your attic. I saw her.
There's no one up there.
She's lying.
You're telling me that your neighbor kidnapped a little girl and has her chained in her attic, right? Do you
I
realize
just
how
need
that
you to
sounds?
trust me.
I do. All right.
There's no one up there. Your mind is just playing tricks on you. Please stay away from that house.
This is a serious accusation, one that'll likely have equally serious consequences.
What the hell, Ray? When you said she works Monday through Friday, it would have been helpful to mention it was at her school.
Get it together. She's not real.
There's no one up there. Your mind is just playing tricks on you. Your mind is just playing tricks on you.
If you go over there, they will take you away from us.
I don't care. What if it was me? I'm not just gonna sit here. No, wait!
Your mind is just playing tricks on you.